Hi everyone, I decided to put this short video together today, especially for those of you who don't have a self-hosted WordPress blog, and I wanted to do that because I wanted to show you just how easy they are to maintain. If you're sitting on the fence, you're not sure whether you should go ahead and get yourself one or not, I just want to show you that they are very easy to look after. So we're going to go into the back office of my blog so you can take a look around and I can show you different things, how it all works and how to add post pages, etc. So we're going to go there now. Now when you log into your blog, if you decide to go ahead and get yourself one, you will always be taken to the dashboard first, and from the dashboard you can do absolutely everything. So as you can see here, it says right now this is what's going on. It will show you how many posts you have, how many pages, your categories, tags, comments approved, the comments you've approved, how many are pending, and how many may or may not be stat. So you need to check in there. Now, when you first start out, of course, all this will be empty. So you'll be interested. The first thing you'll be interested in doing is adding pages and your posts. Now, over here, just quickly before I move on, you've got Quick Press, and this is a really easy way to add a quick post. So you can just log into your dashboard and add a post from there, and you can even add an image, add video and audio, and add the tags in there. So it's really quick and easy. The only thing you can't do here is select the category. So if you're not going to use Quick Press, you can click on Post here to start posting, and you'll click on Add New up there, and from here you can just create your post, or you can just copy and paste if you've already created one in WordPress or something in Microsoft Word. So here you just enter the title, and then you put your post in here. Now the box doesn't have to stay this small. You can actually make it bigger just by clicking there, so you can see more of what you're doing. And as with Quick Press, you can upload your image, you can add video and audio, and it's really easy to do. To add an image, you just click there, and you can upload from your computer, or you can take it from the web, depending where it is. You just put in the URL address there, or if you already uploaded something, you can just pick it out and reuse it. So it's really easy, and it's the same with video as well. It's exactly the same as images. You can just upload from your computer or take it out from the web. For example, if you've got something on YouTube, you can just take the URL address, pop it in, and it will show on your blog. Insert it into post. So that's really easy too. And then another good thing about WordPress is that you can either publish immediately, or if you don't want to, you can schedule for when you want it to be published. So you don't have to be sitting there and actually hit the publish button. You can just set the date a week or two in advance, whenever you want, and then you hit the time you choose the time as well, and then you hit OK, and then come that date and time, it will publish automatically. And then down here we have categories, so you'll need to choose a category that you want it to fit under, and you can also put in tags here. And talking about categories, that's really easy to add as well. You just put the category name in, description if you want, and when you have more than one category, you can also slip different categories under main categories. So it's a hierarchy, like I have here, as you can see. So I've got Feel Good, and then under that I've got Comfort Zone and Skincare. And tags, well, as you can see, that will just show you the tags that you have. You can add new tags here. I don't actually use this one. When I create a post, as I showed you before, that's when I put the tags in. Now media, I've already showed you that when you're creating a post. Really easy to add new media. You can click on Add New, and you can add your images, video, etc. Pages is another important one that you would need to add. So pages will be things like your About Me page and your Contact Me page and your recommended resources and things like that. And you'll always see Add New up there, so it's really easy to add a new page. You just add the title, type in whatever you want there. You can either publish it immediately or schedule for it to publish at a different date. And then comments, this will show you all the comments you have, so you can choose to approve if you haven't done so already. You can just click reply if you want to reply to something, or someone rather. You can do that from inside here, so that's really simple and straightforward. And appearance, you can change your appearance here. So I have headlines by Woo Themes, and also the widgets. That's another important thing. Widgets are what you see in the sidebar. So as you can see, my widgets, I've got the recent posts, I've got recent comments, top commentators, and it's easy to add different widgets because you literally just drag and pop it in, and then you just add the text in. And the good thing about this is that you can actually add HTML. So if you know HTML, or if you have HTML to put into that box, you can go in there as well. Then you just save it, and that will show up on your sidebar. But I won't leave that there because I don't need to add anything extra right now. And then plugins is another useful one for you to see, because plugins are what give functionality to your blog, so it's really important to have those. And they're really easy to add as well. You just literally click on Add New, and then you can either search for plugins. Well, you can search for plugins, yes, and then once you've searched for a plugin, so say for example I would want to search for something to do with video, so I'd put in video and then decide on what I want to use, and then to install it you can either take a look at the details first if you want, and then if you want to install it, go ahead and install it, and then you need to activate it once it's installed, and it'll be working straight away. Now another good one for me to show you is settings, because when you upload plugins, the settings you'll have to come in here to configure the settings. So for example, if I go to what would Seth Godin do? This is where I'd come in and configure all the settings, put in my messages, and then I will click save. I won't do that because I've already done it. So it's really easy I just wanted to quickly show you what it's like behind the scenes, if you like, of a WordPress blog. I haven't showed you everything because I haven't got enough time to do so, but it's really easy, nothing to fear in having a WordPress blog. So if you haven't made up your mind to have one, I've showed you what to expect, so I hope that's helped you. I hope it's helped you to make up your mind as to whether to go ahead and get one, because it is really easy. A few things you have to learn here and there, but it's nothing difficult at all. So if this video has helped you today, please let me know, and if you have anything else to add about having a WordPress blog, then go ahead and let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. And also, if you think there's anyone out there that would benefit from watching this video, then please do send it on to them via Twitter and Facebook and any other social networking sites that you use. I'd be really grateful. So thanks for watching, and I will speak to you soon.